In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude on Terminal in Windows step by step. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end, you'll be able to launch Claude directly from your Windows terminal and sign in with your account. If you're looking to get Claude working on your PC without confusion, you're in the right place. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump to it. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is install Git for Windows. This is an important step because it helps support the setup process on your system. Open your browser and go to git.scm.com/install/windows. On that page, download the Windows installer and run it like any normal app. Follow the setup prompts and complete the installation. If you already have Git installed, you can move on to the next step. Once Git is installed, open Windows Terminal. You can do this quickly by pressing Windows key plus X on your keyboard, then selecting Terminal. On some systems, you may see PowerShell instead, and that works too. After the terminal opens, you're ready to run the Claude installer. Now carefully paste this command into your PowerShell window. IRM https://claude.ai/install.ps1pipe.iex. Then press enter. This command downloads and starts the Claude installation script. During this part, it may look like the process is frozen or stuck, but that is normal. Just wait patiently and give it some time to finish. Depending on your connection and system, it may take a little while before anything appears. Once the installation completes, it's time to log in. In the terminal, type Claude and press enter. This should launch the Claude app and open a browser window for authentication. Follow the login prompt in your browser and sign into your account. After that, Claude will be connected to your terminal and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed Claude on Windows Terminal. Now you can start using it right from your command line and streamline your workflow. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.